Hi everyone. Today I will be going over why Earth is the habitable planet. And to start off, some of the reasons are because we need liquid water, atmosphere, oxygen and carbon dioxide, protection from the rays of sun, as well as protection from solar wind, soil, and sunlight. Earth does have all of these, and we're going to kind of talk about why Earth has all of these. So some of the reasons why is the mass of the Earth, the position from the sun, the magnetic field, and plate tectonics. So to start, the mass of the Earth, the mass and the temperature are responsible for Earth's atmosphere. There is a gravitational pull on the Earth that is there because of the mass. The greater the mass, the greater the gravitational pull is, and because this gravitational pull, it's able to pull in atmospheric molecules. The temperature of these molecules and of the atmosphere, as well as like the mass of the molecules, help the Earth, like help the speed and the velocity that the molecules have and keep them from escaping. That combination makes the temperature of the planet just right, the temperature of the planet needs to be just right in order to keep the molecules inside of Earth's atmosphere and help them from escaping. When Earth has the perfect conditions for the atmosphere to be what it is, and this atmosphere is conducive for human survival, as we know. So the second thing is the position from the sun. The position from the sun helps the temperature. So Earth is much cooler since it is further away from the sun. Surface temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, and because of this, the atmosphere is nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Some carbon dioxide is able to escape, which is good because we don't want it to get hot, and we don't want the atmosphere to be super thick like Venus is, and that's why Venus is so hot, because of the greenhouse effect. The atmosphere that the Earth has allows us to have the trace elements that we need to survive, but also contains enough oxygen that we can survive as well. The carbon dioxide does, however, keep in some of the warmth so that the water is a liquid and it's not all ice. The third thing is the magnetic field. So this magnetic field protects Earth from solar winds. So only strong energetic particles can penetrate the magnetic field. If all the energetic particles could penetrate, then it would not be conducive, because the winds would be way too strong for us to be able to survive, and the storms would be very great, and we see that on some planets. It also protects the planets from comets and asteroids, which is really great because we don't want our planet or our atmosphere having comets and asteroids in it. The reason that the Earth has the magnetic field has to do with the liquid outer core. The liquid outer core also helps with plate tectonics, and that's our fourth reason why Earth is habitable. These plate tectonics are responsible for helping this magnetic I'm sorry, I just lost the word. The magnetic field be stronger, and the plate tectonics are able to just it's the magma and I believe it's the asthenosphere that helps just everything kind of mix. And so yeah, thank you so much for listening to my PowerPoint, and I will talk to you guys later.